Good morning. Today I am going to talk about the importance of these pinch tubes in pressure sensors. Our pressure sensors again have this vibrating wire sensor connected to these pressure pads. These sensors are electron beam welded with vacuum inside, and there's a glass to metal seal here, so cable jointing can be done on site. These sensors are used to measure the stress of concrete in dams or any other concrete structures. These are used for the SHOTCRETE in NATM tunnels. Once these sensors are installed in the SHOTCRETE or the concrete blocks, the pinch tubes need to be pinched. We have to pinch every 5 mm starting from 15 mm using this along with an Allen key. We continue the process till we see the knee. This means that the surface of this pressure sensor is in complete contact with the concrete and hence measuring the perfect pressure. At the end of it, please do not forget to earth this particular cable. Have a great day. Thank you.